Well, this is Linda Joseph with Passion into Profits.
Where is Nancy's newsletter? All right, this question has come up so many times lately, and even today we just sent out a newsletter and it didn't show up in my inbox. And I thought, so we're going to investigate and show you how to find where it may be. Now I'm in my Gmail account and I do not see the email newsletter that went out this morning, and I know it went out this morning. So I'm going to go to More Labels, and I'm going to just scroll down here until I come to Spam. Now when I come to Spam, lo and behold, there is the newsletter. It is not spam, so that is what you need to do. You need to click on the not spam, and then it will come into your inbox. So if I go back to inbox and scroll down, there you see it right there. So if you're missing the newsletter, please look in the spam folder. If you're using Hotmail or some other email client, you're going to have to go find your spam filter where you say, this is not spam, please send this to me. So go find your newsletter. There's a really important coupon in this week's newsletter. Thanks for watching.